Nathan Wade in the disqualification matter conflict with sworn statements he gave in his divorce. So what were his statements he has to change? There's the big bad document between the state of Georgia and David Schaefer. So this is what they filed, and they gave this to the judge. So this goes into the legal record. Respectfully showing that upon information and belief, Special Assistant District Attorney Nathan Wade has made knowingly false and misleading statements concerning his relationship with Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. Mr. Schaefer submits the statements as additional evidence of misconduct by the prosecution in the action as additional grounds for disqualification of District Attorney Willis and her office. Good, we like that, but that did not give us enough information. We're going to go back to the Newsweek article again. The documents Schaefer provided, which Newsweek has seen, show that Wade responded, quote unquote, none to both questions on May 30th in 2023, but that he updated those answers last month after the allegations of an, quote, improper relationship. So first they asked him, did you cheat? And he said none. He had none. That's a clear lie on both accounts. And then he goes in and he changed them to this. Improper relations between himself and Willis were brought to light. He changed his response to the much simpler, quote, the plaintiff declines to respond to this interrogatory and asserts his privilege pursuant to OCGA section 245505, unquote, Your Honor. You know, that fails the Occam's razor test of the simplest answer. Okay. Georgia law states that no party is required to testify on matters that, quote, incriminate or, quote, bring infamy, disgrace, or public contempt upon parties, witnesses, or their family. Now let's see, here's Benny Johnson, Twitter. U.S. Rep. Corey Mills of Florida goes over his letter requesting the disbarment of Fani Willis. Yet another prong of attack. We're going to get her disbarred.
That was written by your office asking for disbarment. It's very thorough.
The unethical and unprofessional behavior in which she conducted with her inappropriate relationship. And we essentially feel that the bar makes it very clear that even the perception of unethical and unprofessional behavior is reasoning for the disbarment. And so I think that she has more than met that criteria and should be met with the full renders of justice.
Yeah.